Oh man, okay. Yeah, so since the time I've been gone, which has been a minute, I've become one of those gallon, walk around with drinkers. The healthier, I just gotta go to the restroom like a lot, all the time. Also got a new tattoo. But yeah. Yo, what's good guys, and welcome back to another video. Damn, I haven't said that in a minute. It's been a while. I'm sorry guys, a lot has happened. Working a lot, caught COVID. It's just a lot, I've just been busy, but I'm back on it. Let's do it. A lot of you guys been messaging me saying you miss me. I miss you, I love you. This connection, this bond we have, it's just gonna get stronger. We're gonna build up this family. So today's video, I got, obviously since I've been gone for a minute, all these pickups I wanna show you. And I got some heat too, like some heat. Oh, it's a few pieces, so sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, so for my first pickup, I don't know if I showed you guys this already, but I'm gonna show you again. Today's the first day of fall. It is this white denim jacket that I got from Cause. This is actually 50% off, and it's a women's jacket. I don't know, I'm telling you, don't sleep on the women's section. Like, they'll have jackets your size, and then a lot of it's fire, heat. Like, don't do to the women's section. No, go and look. I promise you, you're gonna find some heat. So anyways, I found this on the way out actually, and it was like right in front of the cashier, and I'm like, oh yeah, like it's dope. And it was just a steal. Picked it up, 50% off. I love the white. It's cropped. It's a boxy fit for a women's jacket, and it was just meant to be. All right, next two pickups are from Dickies because I've been having like this thing for like workwear lately. I even ordered some pants, but they didn't come in time, so I'll show you on next pickup video. They're heat though, they're fire, you'll see. But this is called the Eisenhower from Dickies. It's like this bomber jacket type thing. The cut's dope, the silhouette's dope. Like, it looks really good on, and like, even though it's workwear, it's like thin, so you won't overheat in it. And the material, spill something on it, comes right off. If it gets wet, dries really quick. It's like perfect. I actually really like this jacket. Comes in a lot, not a lot, but a few different colors too if you don't like the whole black aesthetic. Like me, you know, I just took away my black summer clothes and I'm bringing in my black fall clothes. But yeah, so if you want to get a perfect like transitioning jacket, this is it right here. Okay, the next workwear piece I got from Dickies, of course, it's black, is this short sleeve button up. Actually, I've been wearing this a lot lately, so if you follow me on Instagram, I've been shoving this down your throat because I've been just wearing it a lot. Actually, I just really like it. And this actually comes in a lot of different colors, so you don't have to go with the black. Check out the different colors, because I really want like a white one. Because I don't know, I love this shirt so much. I'm gonna get a few different colors. I got it in a medium. It's just like a really good button up. I highly recommend it, and it's only like 25 bucks. So steal, got y'all, pick that up. All right, I'm not gonna lie, these next two pickups are my absolute favorite that I've got. So I have this thing with cropped like shirts and button-ups and stuff like that. And also, little hack right here, you can really give your tailor anything that you want to be cropped, because I like it cropped at the waist now. So this first pickup is from No Maintenance, and look, you can see the see-through right here. This right here, it is beautiful. When I wore it, I got so many compliments, and it's like this perfect crop, like right at the waist. It was kind of pricey because it's like their first cut and sew like pieces coming out, because they're trying to make their own brand. They were a vintage brand, you know, they just sell vintage clothing. I told you guys about them, No Maintenance. So yeah, this is like one of their pieces they made, and it is just banger, as Stevie says. Love it. It's just heat. This is dope as fuck. I'll put the links down below because there's a restock coming. They also come in like this off-white color too. I missed out on that. I was gonna get that one, so I just got the black instead. I'm probably gonna get both, I ain't gonna lie. This next pickup is also from No Maintenance. I'm telling you, their stuff's gonna be dope when they have like a full range or whatever. Anyways, look at this. It's made out of acetate, this shiny material, okay? And look at the perfect cropped, it says No Maintenance right here. It reminds me of like a bowling shirt, kind of like a bowling shirt. In the back, no heaven without you. It's just in like this dope embroidered. I love this. So I got this before that. The other shirt, the see-through one, was just heat. This is so good. Like, I'm in love. And I've been wearing those two a lot lately too. So if you follow me on Instagram, which by the way, follow me if you haven't, it's just, this is gonna be shoved down your throat. I love these shirts so much. I just love the crops. So yeah, that's my thing right now. I kind of feel like I'm finding my style even more now. And yeah, just heat. Description down below if you guys want a cop. Comes in like two other different colors. So yeah, peep that.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah.
All right, last two pickups on the clothing side of things are the Issey Miyake dupes from Zara. So these are the first ones that came out, the black ones, the pants. And I missed out on them. All the YouTubers, Instagrammers made them poppin'. They sold out quick as hell. So I went to Zara like a month and a half ago when their new collection dropped, and obviously restocked, had to get a pair. And also they were so good, they obviously made 3 different other colors: blue, green, and like a white. So I picked up the blue because this blue is actually really nice. I really like the color. I do not know what the real pair feels like from Issey Miyake, but these are actually really nice. I like how they fit and they feel. So this makes me want to invest into actually getting a real pair. And that's why I buy these dupes, to see if it looks good on me and just if it's worth the investment. And so far, I like them, so I really might pick up a real pair soon. But yeah, if you want to try them out, I would definitely recommend the Zara ones.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree on.
Our last two things I want to show you guys are accessories I picked up. First one being this pendant chain right here. I just got this like yesterday from Vitaly. It is their collab with Ian Dior, the artist. I actually really like his music, and I saw like their collab. This was a dope piece. It was sick. So like these pearls right here, this little chain, and this chain right here. It's all together. It's all linked in one. I needed something to stack with. Like, this is my transit chain from Vitaly as well. And look, just stack. I love it. It's the first time I'm wearing it. It looks dope. Second accessory I picked up is from For Those Who Sin, which is where this hat's from too. Just another trucker hat. I'm into trucker hats right now. It says Sin, has like these buttons on it, really dope. And then the little charms right here on the side with the For Those Who Sin in the back. Actually, one of my favorite brands too. So For Those Who Sin, check them out. They got a bunch of stuff. Their accessories are dope, clothing dope, all that. So yeah, guys.
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a drive. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that?
Alright guys, that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want more content. I miss saying that. Anyway guys, I love you. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and catch you in the next one. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this.